Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Marcus Garvey Drive. As you can see, this is a very nice road, one of the best roads in the city of Kingston, and it was recently renovated under the major infrastructure development program. Now on the right is Petrojam, which is the oil refinery in Jamaica. It's the only one actually, and on the other side of the oil refinery is the Kingston Harbour. So they have their own pier or port basically where the ships can come into the harbor and come right up to the dock for Petrojam. On the left is the Garmix free zone, and that's where a lot of manufacturing goes on. The free zones have special tax designation. So there are special zones basically where persons can operate under special tax incentives or special tax benefits. Alright, on the left is a Hunts Bay power plant that's operated by JPS. On the right, straight ahead, is Nutramix, that is a government facility that deals with food. On the left is the entrance industrial estate. An industrial estate is where you have a lot of manufacturing going on. And if you turn left here, this road also takes you into the Tivoli Gardens area. Also takes you back to Spanish Town Road and takes you to the West Kingston area, Denham Town, those areas. As you can see, Marcus Garvey Drive is a very, very nice road, a 6-lane road. The only other 6-lane road that looks like this is Mandela Highway. There's Dunrobin Avenue also, but it's not as long as Marcus Garvey Drive. Marcus Garvey Drive takes you all the way from Hagley Park Road back to downtown Kingston. So there aren't many 6-lane roads in Jamaica, and this is one of the nicer ones. Well, the nicest one is Mandela Highway, but Mandela Highway isn't as long as this road, being 6 lanes. Mandela Highway is slated to be renovated again, rehabilitated. The section from Washington Boulevard to the turnoff to Portmore was rehabilitated, and that's 6 lanes. It was also done via the major infrastructure development program. And then the section from where that project ended all the way back to the Old Harbour roundabout is going to be renovated under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. So Mandela Highway will be 6 lanes all the way from basically Kingston all the way back to the St. Catherine roundabout. Alright, so we're now entering the downtown Kingston area. It's like a gas station is being built on the left. Now we're now going on to Harbour Street. Harbour Street is one of the main roads that take you through downtown Kingston. Today is a Saturday, so this area is not as busy as usual. And we're now crossing over King Street, which is also a main street in downtown Kingston. King Street is where you're going to find the Supreme Court of Jamaica. Now straight ahead is the Air Jamaica Building, and Air Jamaica was the national airline in Jamaica, but they closed down, but the building still bears the name Air Jamaica. The building is probably operated by the UDC, which is the Urban Development Corporation. It's a government entity. And then behind it is the new Grace Kennedy building. A building was recently opened, and that's a new head office for the Grace Kennedy Group. And we're now passing over East Street. There's a very nice view of the building. We're now passing over Gold Street. Alright, if we were to go straight, we'd go on to Port Royal Street, but we're turning left and going on to South Camp Road. We're now going into the central Kingston area. Alright, we turn left, we're going to the downtown Kingston area. Turn right, we head towards Wynwood Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.